going to make japchae. Ta-da! Those are the ingredients. Korean style starch noodle is called 당면. You can easily find in a big supermarket. Some grinded pork, onions, garlic, spring onions, peppers, carrots, pepper, soy sauce, honey or sugar, and we're going to use honey. And for the decoration, you need sesame seeds and sesame oil. And let's go to make japchae together. First, put the noodles into the bowl of tap water. Don't put the noodles into the hot water, then the noodles gets too soft so you can't use well. During the noodle gas softener, you chop the carrots and pepper. Faster! Faster! Ati! Faster!
I do my best.
And onions and garlic. And for the last, you chop the spring onions. And if you want, you can put more vegetables such as mushrooms or spinach or spring onions. If you have in your fridge, anything will be fine. Ta-da! Mission complete! Pour some oils. Put the garlic. I like the sizzling sound. Yum yum. Then put the carrots in because it takes the longest time. Oops, we forgot the pork. But it's okay. And put some salt. Show. And pepper. Put some onions now. When the onion turns transparent, then you put the pepper. Smells nice. Now the vegetables are ready. Now in a new pan, pour some oil and put the spring onion. When the oil has the spring onions flavor, then you put some honey. Honey 2, then soy sauce 1. That's the ratio. When the sauces are boiled, put the noodles. When the noodles are well mixed, you put the vegetables and mix them well. For the last, you put the sesame oil and sesame seeds. Now the japchae is ready. Japchae is Korean style Pansit canton. We're making this because today is Tanja's fiesta, so we're gonna bring this to the fiesta. Exciting! And now we're gonna eat the japchae. Also, you enjoy your japchae. Then see you later. Bye bye.